For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.
If you are like me and only have a few good wild game recipes, this show is for you. You won't believe how great you can cook wild game.
Hi, I'm Starla Batsko with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt. And today I'm here with my mother Kay, and we're going to be making the Grandma's Cheesy Potato Soup, and we're going to be adding, you could add chicken or pheasant or turkey to it too. So Mom, this is a tasty soup that you make a lot during the cold weather.
I do, because it's very simple to make.
And this is one we can throw together in a crock pot. You could do it in a power cooker. You could do it on the stove, so it's very versatile. So what do you have there?
First of all, I sprayed my crock pot with olive oil.
For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.
I'm Starla Batsko with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game, and we're back with my mother Kay.
Hi.
With her Grandma's Cheesy Potato Soup.
Quick and easy.
And it's been cooking for 4 hours now, so it's done and ready to serve. So we're going to invite Rich back to come and have a taste with us.
Oh,
Doesn't it smell good?
Smells great.
Thank you.
It's pretty fresh. It's on the warm side. So we top this with cheese too?
You can sprinkle it with some cheese if you like. Everything's better with cheese.
Very good. Help yourself.
I've been looking for a good potato recipe.
Well, there's...
And this one, I cheated. I already tried a little bit. This one is really good.
Oh.
Now you made this with?
This one we did with the Grandma's Garden. So can you taste that little hint of cumin in it?
Right.
And then the celery?
But you also made it from frozen potatoes?
You can do it from frozen or fresh potatoes, depending, if you're...
Hash browns.
For hash browns, yeah. But like we said, the trick is to make sure that you're rinsing them if you're using the fresh ones.
That's to get all the starch off it? Or?
Yep, otherwise it becomes a mess. And we covered in other episodes there's different types of potatoes that you'd want to use, and we covered that in some of the other episodes we did on potatoes, using the right potato for the job.
Yeah, we did potato pancakes now.
Yeah, that's the episode. Look for the Grandma's Garden pancakes.
If you're into potato pancakes, that one's really good. Even if you're not into potato pancakes, that one's really good. This looks delicious. This is wonderful. Now, how many people would this serve, probably?
2.
2 football players.
Six to 8 people.
Yep, about 6 people. Or 2 teenagers.
Now, we can also put this in a container and freeze it for later, right?
That's another one that you could freeze and have on hand. Do a couple batches of them, and it freezes beautifully.
Do one big batch and you got dinner, and then put the rest in the freezer for future dinners.
Yep, I do that. I cool it, and then I put it into gallon Ziploc bags, and I lay them flat in the freezer, and when I'm short on time, I just pull those out, and then you can put it in the stove or in the crock pot again, and you have a meal ready to go.
That's wonderful. Well, I'm Rich with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game.
And I'm Starla with Starla's Seasonings and Mixes at ilovedip.com. And thank you. Oh, I was going to say, and thank you to my mother, Kay.
Well, thank you for having me. It was a lot of fun.
Well, thank you for sharing your fantastic recipe. I know I always enjoy this one.
You're very welcome.
And now you guys can too. Enjoy.
For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cookingwildgame.